Several factors such as insufficient nutrients, incorrect soil pH, dryness, and compaction are identified as the common factors of soil problems. Due to these globally occurred problems, humans try to find a new solution to solve them by creating fertilizers. At first, the soil scientists are focusing on making organic fertilizers using manures, waste products, and compost. According to the technology circulation, the use of chemicals in improving the efficiency of fertilizers is used by the chemical industry developers. Nowadays, the use of chemicals in the production of synthetic fertilizers has become increasingly widespread. For example, a few years ago, a synthetic fertilizer manufacturer decided to commercialize the balanced fertilizer concept, which is Formula 10-10-10. The formula represents three essential macronutrients in the soil, which are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, abbreviated as NPK. The number indicates the content or quantity of each nutrient in a given product, expressed as a percentage or ratio. In order to improve competitiveness, other companies decided to promote their synthetic fertilizers based on the actual nutrients required by the plants, where the scientists selected different plants and analyzed their composition. For example, a company developed lawn fertilizer 18-10-10 for grass that contains more nitrogen than phosphorus and potassium. A new marketing method was born. Special synthetic fertilizers are made according to the needs of plants. This situation has led many customers who are less knowledgeable about fertilizers will assume that the use of chemical substances is the best solution to improve the soil and plant quality instead of organic matters. It also pollutes the public's understanding of the actual use of fertilizers. In reality, the use of synthetic fertilizers will bring many negative impacts. For this innovation, the main concern is how the chemical substances in synthetic fertilizers will destroy the living organism in the soil. Depending on the system, soil organisms such as microorganisms, microfauna, mesofauna, and macrofauna are responsible for carrying out a variety of activities critical to the health and fertility of soils. When the soil organism has been destroyed due to the use of synthetic fertilizers, the same soil problems may reoccur because plant health and soil fertility are related to the diversity of living organisms in the soil. Contradictory to it, organic fertilizers are scientifically able to encourage the growth of soil organisms and feed the soil problems without any harm. Norway soil biochar, which is 100% based on natural and organic matters, is created as an alternative for the use of synthetic fertilizers. Norway soy biochar consists of serum and powder. The effective ingredients in the serum, such as lactobacillus species extract, blue-green algae, and seaweed extract, enable it to increase beneficial microorganisms in the soil, thus contributing to the soil and plant qualities. Furthermore, the ingredients in the powder, such as cocoa peat, eggshell powder, and vermicomposted paper powder, can provide suitable soil properties for soil organism growth as well as provide nutrients to the soil and plant. Some of the objectives of the invention are to increase the living organisms in the soil, fertilize the soil, and improve the plant health. Since the product utilizes organic, recyclable, and local materials, the cost of the product is low, and the approximate cost of the product set is 50 ringgit per set. This product is also ideal and specialized for small-scale farmers, home gardeners, and persons who is interested in organic gardening. The invention of Norway soy biochar is bringing good impacts on society by encouraging the public to run organic gardening, encourage the public to reduce the use of harmful chemical substances in daily life, and breaking the misconception of the public about fertilizers. Norway soy biochar is unique because it is a convenient and easy to use product, an eco-friendly product, utilizing organic, recyclable, and local materials, and has a mission to foster awareness and educate the public. The effectiveness of the set is tested on the problematic soil samples. After the application of Norway soy biochar, the acidity of the soil sample is reduced from ultra-acidic to moderately acidic. The moisture of the soil sample is improved from dry to moist, and the compaction of the soil sample is decreased. Furthermore, the number of living organisms and the plant growth rate of the soil samples of the study area has increased after the application of the product. These results are significant in proving that nourish soil biotic acid can provide a good medium for soil organism growth, enhancing the living organism in the soil, fertilizing the soil, and improving plant health. Overall, this product set is very effective for agriculture activities and it prioritizes environmental sustainability. Together, we can reduce the use of harmful chemicals in our daily life for a better tomorrow.